Akala ko ako yung problema. Ginawa ko lahat. Nag-diet ako, nagpaganda. Binigay ko lahat kahit minsan sa akin wala nang natitira. Pero walang pinagbago. Buwan-buwan ka pa ding may inuuwing iba. Sabi ko, isang beses lang, patatawarin kita. Dumalawa ka, tumatlo, hanggang sa hindi ko na mabilang nakailan ka. Nagsettle ako sa idea na sige na, basta ako yung uuwian na tatawaging nobya. In short, for so many years, nagawa kong magpakatanga. Pero tama na, pagod na ako. Di ko kailangan ng lalaking di kayang magpakatao. Ako si Janna. Natutunan ko na finally ang mga katagang. Self-respect. My love, we all do stupid things when it comes to love. I can't explain why exactly we do it, but we just do. Nasa ngalan ng pagmamahal, minsan nagbubulag-bulagan tayo, nagbibingi-bingihan. Most of the time, nagtatanga-tangahan. We can all see the red flags, and yet we choose not to look. We let our emotions get the best of us. At siguro kasi, at the back of our mind, meron tayong fairy tale type of dream. Alam mo yon, yung mga telenovela type of dream. Bad boy, bad image, bad girl. Tapos ikaw yung goody-goody. Tapos makikita niya how important you are. Ma-appreciate niya kung gaano ka gandang ingatan ka, alagaan ka. Alam mo yung mga mushy stuff like that. We say it's mushy, we say it's cliche. But we like it. We love the idea of it. So we continue. Diba? Nagpapatuloy tayo kahit nahihirapan na tayo, kahit di na siya nakakatuwa, kahit most of the time we find ourselves alone with our thoughts thinking, what the hell am I doing? Bakit ko to ginagawa? Mabuti naman akong tao. Maganda naman ako. Mabait naman ako. May maganda naman akong trabaho. Why do I subject myself to situations like this? We don't know, my love, exactly why. And we will never know. But one thing is for sure, and one thing I assure you, my love, one day gigising ka din. One day ma-accept mo din within you that some fairy tales don't come true. Na yung mga napapanood nating cliche and mushy-like scenarios sa mga telenovelas, Korean novela, whatever it is na pinapanood mo, some of them don't really happen in real life. Although the feeling is true, yung pain is true, everything else that you can possibly feel while watching, naramdaman mo din in real life, isa lang naman pinagkaiba. Ending. Sila, they live happily ever after. Ikaw, you just live. So my love, ganito no. If ever you find yourself in situations like this, do not beat yourself up if it takes you a long time to realize that you are being a fool. That you are making a fool out of yourself for sticking to a relationship na alam mo namang walang patutunguhan. Huwag mong sisihin yung sarili mo kung nagtiyaga ka. Huwag mong sisihin yung sarili mo kung naging hopeful ka. Huwag mong sisihin yung sarili mo kung umasa ka that things will change. That's what we do when we are in love. Kasi kahit pa ilang beses ka nila sabihan na ang bobo mo naman, ang tanga mo naman, it won't deny the happiness you feel every single time that things are good sa relationship ninyo. So, pwede ka matuto, my love. You have every right to learn about all the things you should. Pero do not regret anything. When you choose to fall in love with a person over and over again, no matter how awful they may be sa mata ng iba, do not have any regrets. We'll hate them after breakup, pero all the lessons they've taught us, lahat ng mga bagay na tinuro natin sa atin, at lahat ng moments that they made us happy, that they completed us, all the times na they made us feel things that we never felt before. Those will forever be a happy memory. No matter how tainted, happy pa din sila. Kaya wag mong sisihin yung sarili mo, wag mo i-beat yung sarili mo up. If ang tagal mo before na-realize na this is not gonna go anywhere. Kasi you owe it to yourself to take a shot. Diba? You took a chance at love. Nag-risk ka, sumugal ka. You just wanted to be happy. And there's nothing to apologize for if you are only going after your happiness. Pero sana, katulad ni Janna, one day magising ka na din sa katotohanan na ang taong paulit-ulit na humihingi ng tawad sa parehong pagkakamali, kailanman walang balak magbago. Klaro? Klaro.